So today I'm breaking down whether the Pixel Fold 3, Google's newest foldable, would actually be worth the price this coming holiday season. Now, before we go step by step, let me show you something that shocked me. If your foldable ever lags, stutters, or heats up during multitasking, there's one hidden feature in Google's setting that instantly stabilizes performance, and I'll show you that in a moment. But first, about the Pixel Fold itself, here's the thing. The Pixel Fold 3 isn't actually a real model name. Google discontinued the number Fold line, and what we have instead is the evolution from the first generation Pixel Fold to today's Pixel 10 Pro Fold. But for this video, we're calling it Fold 3 because that's what most people online are referring to when comparing generations. For the upgrades, they're massive. The original Pixel was praised for its beautiful design and thin profile, but reviewers hated the big crease, thick bezels, and the fact that it was only water resistant, not dust resistant. So fast forward to the latest generation, and you get a redesigned hinge that feels way more durable, full IP68 water and dust resistance, faster charging, a brighter and smoother display, and Google's biggest flex, AI-powered features that make multitasking feel like using a desktop. But of course, not everything is perfect. There's still complaints about heat during heavy tasks, and the NFC plus wireless charging coil placement is kind of awkward. You really notice it if you use tap to pay a lot. Now, back to the hidden feature I mentioned earlier, because this is where the Fold truly levels up. Deep into the developer settings is an option that frees up background tasks and gives the phone way more thermal headroom. Once you toggle it, the phone suddenly feels smoother, especially in tablet mode. So, is this Pixel Fold 3 worth it in 2025? If you want the best combination of compact tablet plus powerful AI tools in one device, this is Google's most polished foldable yet. If you want a full setup guide or my recommendation settings for better battery life, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.